What is up, guys? My name is Nico. Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys three at-home cozy outfits. If you guys are bored like me and got nothing else to do, you might be wanting to find some inspirations for your style. Maybe even find some inspiration outfits for an at-home photo shoot. That's something I've been doing a lot lately. So if you guys are into that, or just like the outfits, or just want a lookbook from me, stick around. I'm going to be showing you guys some outfits. I also want to give a big shout out to a Cozy Deal on Instagram. I'm going to put their account right there for partnering with me to make this video possible. If you want to find even more inspirations beyond this video, you can go check them out. They post a lot of beautiful outfits, very aesthetic, very clean. So if you're into that, check them out, give them a follow, and you won't be disappointed. And also, if you guys do enjoy this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm almost at 20K, and that's going to be a pretty big moment for the channel. But yeah, with all that being said, let's start the lookbook. Alright guys, so for the first fit, I went ahead and chose some warmer tone pieces. I started off with this beautiful mock neck sweater. It's a light brown with some diamond design on the front. It's very minimal. I love how it fits. I love how it looks. I also added some rings on each hand, one on each. You know, I had to have my accessories. For the bottoms, I went for this beautiful dark brown vintage pant. It fits really well, and the color goes so well with the top, and that finishes off the fit. Alright guys, so for the second fit, I went for a more brighter fit just because it's springtime, as well as to add some variety to the lookbook. For the top, I started with this beautiful Fog Essential white long sleeve t-shirt. I also added some more accessories on the neck. For the pants, I went and used my beautiful custom introvert denim that I sold on my website to finish off the look. So the last and final outfit is the coziest of them all. It's also the darkest to add more variety to the lookbook. I went and used this club fantasy set, the hoodies and the sweatpants. I honestly really love this. I love the colors. I think the green pops so well with the black, as well as the many different designs on this whole set. I think just looks so good with each other. I don't have a lot of pieces that are this loud, but this, I love it. It's comfy, honestly, and stylish as well. Alright guys, hope you guys do enjoy this video. Make sure to follow a Cozy Deal on Instagram. That's at a Cozy Deal. And I'll put their account right there as well. That being said, hope you guys have a great day.